Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I just wanted to come on today to show you guys the accessories that we have for our quail eggs. Now, these are our own quail eggs that we gather each day. Oh, my refrigerator is getting water. Hold on. Okay, it's not going to do it. But I've already started. But I wanted to come on to show you guys how easy it is if you have a serrated knife or the quail egg scissors to open your quail eggs. Now, I definitely prefer, where's the quail egg scissors over the serrated knife. I've used it so but I will say that this is good to use while you're waiting on your quail egg scissors. And these are from Amazon. I believe you get like 3 for $6, I believe it was. They may still have a deal running right now. And then I did purchase these also from Amazon. I believe it was 25 for $7.99 or $10, one of those. But I just want to come on to show you the quail egg scissors and how easy it is to use them. And you can use them on, this one is a little bigger than, let's see, this one is small right here. This one is smaller than the other. You will take the pointy end. Let's see, where am I looking? You take the pointy end and put it in, and then you would slice it. And it comes right out. And that's what that looks like. Pretty cool. Even the littles can help you. But also, let's try a small one also for the serrated knife. You would take it, hold it firmly. You know, just like I'm going to say, peeling or slicing an apple, maybe. All right. Same thing, but you get a little drippage from this one. And it might crack, but the bottom part might crack. But there you have it. Pretty easy, pretty simple to use the serrated knife and the quail egg scissors. It's less of a mess with the scissors, I'll say. And I definitely do prefer these. So I just wanted to come on to show you guys the different ways you can open your quail eggs. And this is the bigger one. I'm not sure if I'm getting everything in here, but this is the bigger one. It works for them also. And there you have it. I'm not sure if I said this already, but we are a family of 6, and I use 6 chicken eggs for breakfast. And then since these are smaller quail eggs, I have to use 18 of these because it's 3 quail eggs that make up 1 chicken egg. So for your recipes, that's all you have. That's all the math you have to do. It's just for every egg you need. For every chicken egg, you would need 3 quail eggs. So it's not that hard to make recipes out of your quail eggs. They are more nutrient dense, but they taste great. They're just fine. They cook up well. They cook up just like chicken eggs. They just have a bigger yolk, which, I mean, I don't have a problem with. I love the yolk more so than the white. So it's fine for me. But go ahead and get you some from your local farmers market if they have any, or try to find you, let's see, a local dealer of seller of quail eggs before getting any shipped out. But if you can't find anyone locally, then I would suggest doing research. I've gotten some from my Shire farm, but that's to hatch them out, not to eat. And this is why I'm saying, so your local area would have some fresh to eat. Just try to find you someone so you can try them first if you want to try eating the quail eggs first before trying to hatch out your own. But anyway, this was the main reason for coming on today, to show you guys the quail egg scissors, the quail egg cartons, and that you can use a serrated knife to open also while you wait on your quail egg scissors. I do highly suggest getting some of these. So that's all I want to share with you guys today. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.